Hey there, aspiring data wizards. Welcome back to Moral Advisor, your gateway to leveling up your career path. Today, we're diving deep into one of the hottest career paths out there, becoming a data analyst. If you've ever wondered how to go from zero to data hero, this is your ultimate guide. Remember, as I stated earlier, we are soon coming with a fun club where my fans will be accessing relevant material, including programming codes, to build their statistical skills with R, Python, Stata, SPSS, SAS, and other statistical tools. So, help us reach 1,000 subscribers for the Fans Club features to be enabled by YouTube by making sure you have subscribed and by sharing our channel with other like-minded groups so that we can start the program as soon as possible. Hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed. Let's jump right in. Here's what we're going to cover. First, I'll walk you through what a data analyst actually does. Then we'll break down the essential skills and tools you'll need. After that, I'll share a clear step-by-step learning roadmap that takes you from complete beginner to job ready. We'll talk about portfolio building strategies and ways to land your first role, and I'll wrap up with some bonus tips to keep you competitive in the long run. Whether you're starting fresh or pivoting from another career, this roadmap will give you the structure and confidence you need. Let's start with the basics. What does a data analyst actually do? In simple terms, data analysts help organizations make better decisions by turning raw numbers into meaningful insights. They gather and clean data, analyze it using statistical methods, and present their findings in a way that drives action. That might mean creating a dashboard for management, writing SQL queries to pull specific data, or running analyses in Excel or Python to spot trends. If you enjoy solving problems, working with numbers, and telling stories through visuals, this might just be the perfect role for you. Now let's talk about your toolkit. You'll want to start with Excel. Yes, it's still the bread and butter of data analysis, from pivot tables to advanced formulas. Next is SQL, the language of databases, which lets you query and manipulate large data sets. You'll also need a foundation in statistics, things like averages, correlations, and hypothesis testing. For more advanced analysis, Python or R will help you clean, transform, and visualize data efficiently. Speaking of visualization, tools like Tableau or Power BI will help you turn data into compelling, easy-to-understand charts and dashboards. And don't underestimate soft skills. Critical thinking, communication, and storytelling can make the difference between a good analyst and a great one. Here's how I'd recommend structuring your learning. Phase 1. Fundamentals, months 1 to 2. Start with Excel. Learn how to build pivot tables, use formulas, and create charts. At the same time, pick up the basics of SQL. Select statements, joins, and group by. Add in a short introduction to statistics so you understand descriptive and inferential concepts. Phase 2. Intermediate skills, months 3 to 4. Now you can add Python or R into the mix. Focus on data manipulation with libraries like pandas. Build basic visualizations like histograms and scatter plots. Start small projects. Analyzing your spending habits or visualizing weather data are great beginner exercises. Phase 3, specialization and projects, months 5 to 6. Deep dive into Tableau or Power BI. Learn to combine SQL and Python for more efficient workflows. Start working with real-world data sets from platforms like Kaggle, where you can practice solving open-ended problems. Phase 4, portfolio and job search, month 7 plus. By this stage, you should create a polished portfolio. Aim for 3 to 5 complete projects, hosted on GitHub, each with clear write-ups explaining the problem, your approach, and your results. Share dashboards on Tableau Public or your own website. Then, start preparing for interviews, both technical SQL tests and behavioral questions. To make your portfolio stand out, focus on real-world, relatable problems. For example, build a sales dashboard tracking revenue trends and top-selling products. Or analyze customer churn to help a fictional company reduce losses. Another idea is to create a COVID-19 impact report, showing trends over time by country or region. You could even do a sentiment analysis on e-commerce reviews, showing which products customers love or hate the most. Whatever you choose, make sure each project tells a clear story. What was the question? How did you answer it? And what should the audience take away from it? When you're ready to land that first role, there are a few ways to stand out. Networking is huge. Connect with other analysts on LinkedIn, join local data meetups, or be active in online communities. Certifications like the Google Data Analytics certificate can help if you're short on experience. Look for internships, volunteer roles, or freelance projects to get tangible work under your belt. And practice your interviews. Check the Data Analyst interview questions and answers video in my channel to prepare both technical challenges and your personal career story. Remember, you're not just moving numbers around. You're helping people make smarter, better decisions. If you follow this roadmap, building fundamentals, mastering tools, creating projects, and learning how to pitch yourself, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident, skilled data analyst. Trust the process, stay curious, and keep practicing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the next video. Keep learning.